Most likely, as a store owner, you're going to want to connect your store to different services. It could be an accounting service, an analytics service, a marketing service, or an email service, or something else. There's an infinite amount of tools that you can use with your online store. There are two basic ways to connect a service with your website. The first is a direct API connection. That means there's either a bit of code on your website or code on the service's website that connects your website to the service. And the second is to connect to one service that I like to call an integration hub. And through that one service, all of the other services are connected to your website. A good example for a direct connection is the MailChimp add-on for easy digital downloads. We'll look at this in an upcoming video. But what you need to know is that the code in the add-on, plus a few settings, connects your website to MailChimp. There are almost always a few custom-coded solutions like this, but eventually you'll want to connect to a solution that does not have an integration. And then you can either build it yourself, which is time-consuming and expensive, or you can use a service like Zapier. That's a hub for integrations. The last time I checked, Zapier had over 800 different services, and they're adding new ones all the time. They have a free plan that lets you send hundreds of data points back and forth each month. Their free plan is really generous to get started. You can use the EDD add-on to connect your store to Zapier, and then use that add-on to connect to any service you want. For a recent project, I connected an EDD website to FOMO using Zapier. FOMO shows you who's buying products on your site, and I really wanted that functionality. So going through Zapier was the only way to get it, unless I wanted to custom code something. If you have a direct integration, go for that. It's a bit easier to set up, and it's much more foolproof and robust. But if you don't have a direct integration, then use a service like Zapier. It's fast, and it's much cheaper than custom coding something yourself.